Hi everyone, myself N. Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, we are going to see about security issues in cloud computing. So generally, the security is the one of the problem for cloud computing process because we are accessing as a public one. It just create an security problem because same password we are accessing from unauthorized access. So that it just create an problem while accessing without any securities. The problem associated with the cloud computing is most probably for loss of controls, lack of trust, and multi-tenancy. And next one is these problems exist mainly as a third-party members because the well-known persons are also using our mail IDs and their password, and they are making as the password as a new one. After that, they are logging that password without knowing the concerned authorized persons. Next one is management models. So the self-management clouds still have the security issues, but not related to the this problem. So these problems need to be considered while forwarding the information into the cloud computing process. And problem associated for various modules are listed here. Security in the web browser. Next one is malwares are somewhere introduced. Trust management, accounting, virtualizations, extendability and shared responsibilities, risk analysis and management, cross organized security management policies, compliances, service level agreements, access control, and identity managements. So these are all some problems associated with the cloud computing process. And risk associated with cloud computing are ever changing boundaries because they are not changing their level, so that the authentications are not in proper conditions. So you have to change their logo as well as their conditions with the help of some password protections. Next one is lack of visibility and controls. The hackers are inserted, and they can view their proper documents with the help of some visibility control, so that we can't able to see the proper conditions while the hackers are moving and cracking our files. Next one is vulnerability to social engineering attacks. Sometimes the hackers are not coming with their own names, and moreover, they can't share their location also. They just monitoring and authentication with the help of some other names as well as other locations. And next one is incompatibility between Prometheus and cloud. So they are well known about their own process, and they can communicate with their surrounding itself, so that we can easily trust their originality of their product through this cloud computing. Loss of controls. The customers can loss of controls in either data applications, resources are located with the providers. Identity management is handled by the cloud. Consumer relies on provider to ensure that data security and privacy, resource availability, monitoring and repairing the services. Next one is define a trust and risk. Sometimes the website itself denotes that we don't have any issues and we don't have any problem to access the site. That kind of trust they are making in their own website. So we need to check the trust by using commands with the help of an authentication process. These need to concentrate while considering this cloud computing access. And next one is different third-party management schemes. How to balance the trust and risk. Example, key escrow, Clipper chip, whatever the data are available in that, we can access easily. So in order to avoid this, we can use this some third-party management schemes, so that they can control who are all they found their name with the same concept, same name, and same process. And next one is multi-tenancy issues in the cloud. The one only one data, if we are having one data, the same data has been accessed by other users also. Sometimes the malwares are introduced because of hackers are attacking through this malware, so that we can't able to get the original informations. So sometimes we can receive their information as a fault one, so the trustee identification is missing, and their multi-tenancy, because of multi-tenancy issues arises in the cloud. Another security issues in the cloud. The security issues are automatically controlled only with the help of lack of trust only. The security has been issued for their own priority process as well as their authorization issues. Three type of multi-tenancy, tenancy: high degree, medial degree, low degree. The problem arises based on these three categories because they are setting as a threshold level. Based on the threshold level, we can able to check the which kind of levels are occurring in these three type. From that, we can easily identify that this kind of authentication we need to mark our process, as well as the identification also needed for their cloud access. Assessment: how to minimize the loss of control in the cloud. So we are just lost the data because of poor monitoring process. And next one is utilizing the different clouds. We are using the same name for different cloud storage. In order to avoid this, we can get the original informations. And next one is access control management. So access means we are using the same security for a lot of different cloud access, so that we can't use the same password for all the different cloud storage units. So these are all some losses control. We need to concentrate these kind of things so that we can get the original informations without any loss of controls. Thank you.